So I'm going to talk to you about nail guns. It's a very important thing to decide what nail gun system to use, because you have like so many different sizes of nail guns and nails, and how are you going to use it? But the main thing is, do you get battery powered, or do you get a compressor? I just need to share this because I spent hours trying to pick the best Milwaukee, and I went to the store. I try on different ones with your hands. So here's the conclusion. I'm going to return the Milwaukee after spending hours and hours trying to figure out which ones to get and trying to get the right deals at Home Depot. But you can get these $300 Bostitch ones off Amazon. Now, I tried it just to try it because my ego is like, Milwaukee, fucking awesome. I can be like a real, contractor, even though I'm a DIYer. But the feel of the Bostitch, it's like old school. You feel like, traditional. There's something authentically satisfying about that. Now, the newer guns with the batteries are also heavier. And that was the thing, especially if you go a little bit bigger with the nail gun. Like, these aren't even big nail guns, but if you hold the Milwaukee 21 degree framer, it's heavy. It's like 12 pounds. And the thing with the battery ones is, how often are you going to really, do you want to hold it up with two hands or what? Okay, so the compressor attaches to the thing, and the compressor itself, that's where it holds all the power. So then the nail gun feels more free without the power. Now, they complain about having cords, but I mean, the cords, what are you doing? Like, are you running around? Like, if you're just in the same area doing the thing, the cords are fine. I even was concerned about having a small space to work in. But anyways, I'm returning the Milwaukee. Finally decided. And saving so much money, because one of these Milwaukee costs as much as 3 of the Bostitch. Now, the noise of the compressor is not that bad. It really isn't. You just fill it up, and then you can carry it around. And if you're a decent, strong guy, and it feels hefty. I mean, I even had a stapler. I was going to staple things. I thought, it'd be cool to have, use the other staple, the Milwaukee stapler. And I tried it, and the Bostitch, the air guns, they're just more, they feel stronger, the power behind it. The battery is and then the compressor is so you can just feel the power. Yep.